Let's dive into an important topic: vehicle titles and branding in Louisiana. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious about the different types of titles out there, understanding these terms can save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. I'll cover everything from the best case scenario of a clean title to the more complex, salvaged, and reconstructed titles. And don't worry, I'll break it down step by step so it's easy to follow. Now, before we get started, just make sure that everybody is on the same page. A motor vehicle title, in regards to this topic, also known as a titled movable, but also known in general terms, which is any car, SUV, pickup, RV, travel trailer, fifth wheel, van, box, truck, limo, hearse, ATV, motorcycle, golf cart, boat trailer, etc., etc. Anything that has a Louisiana title, basically. Now, branding, as far as branding, in terms of a title, a motor vehicle title, is just a permanent label or classification which is registered on the national database, and anywhere the car goes, whether it's in Louisiana, Texas, Alaska, Hawaii, every state is able to access the database and see, and the brands follow for the life of the car. Now, these are also different from the title codes that Louisiana has, which are available in another video. Now, let's start with the clean title. The best case scenario when shopping for a car in Louisiana. A clean title and a free title means no money is owed on the vehicle, and it hasn't been branded due to any accidents or severe weather. This is the most straightforward and least amount of paperwork when going to buy a vehicle. The duplicate title. It happens. People lose their titles all the time. Maybe it got folded up, slipped into an envelope, and now it's buried in a sea of paperwork in the glove compartment. But here's the thing. Never leave your title in the glove compartment. Keep it in the house somewhere safe. If you see duplicate branding on a title, it simply means a new one has been issued. Be mindful though, the new title, once it's issued, voids the previous one. So if you happen to find it, it's no good. Now, when a car is heavily damaged in an accident or by an extreme weather, flooding, hurricanes, etc., it might qualify as salvaged. Now, usually the insurance companies tend to manage all of this, but there are times where you can get a title that is salvaged. Each situation is unique. Some salvaged cars can be repaired and made roadworthy again, and some cannot. However, salvage titles require a lot of paperwork, logistics, and money to resolve. In Louisiana, most salvage vehicles must be converted into reconstructed status, also known as rebuilt, before they can be registered and tagged for use on the road, and it requires a state inspection also. Now, building upon the last one, of course, the reconstructed or rebuilt title, these titles are for vehicles that have been repaired and meet roadworthy conditions, which means that they pass the state inspection. And these vehicles go through the Louisiana state troopers, whether it be at the DMV or a police station, and they do the physical inspection, which is not the same as the inspection sticker on the windshield. If you're buying a vehicle with this title type of brand, it's good to go. Just be wary. Find out the information if you want, see the history on it because something's happened. And also, when you get Louisiana motor vehicle insurance or any insurance in any state, there might be a few extra conditions or the value of the car might be different. And finally, there's a few lesser known title brands. The multiple branded ones is just when there is more than one brand on the title. And then a few other less common ones you could say are the permit to sell and the not actual mileage in case the odometer is broken, especially on the older vehicles. And, that's just to name a few. Thank you for tuning in. If you learned something and you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Check out the website, howtolouisiana.com, for more info related to all things Louisiana, whether it be state stuff, agency stuff, government stuff, life stuff, sporting, school, you name it. As we grow, we hope to grow the community. So thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one.
Yeah.